This video is a test for micro Bitx version 5 with Nextion Display and with a WA to EBY HFM which uses 24 volts. So this has been made on the request for a ham. So I will just test and see how much power I am getting. So I got the mic here and we are on 40 meters and I am on 200 watts range. So when it reaches near this 50, it will indicate whether what power it is giving. So I'll modulate now. So it's gone into TX mode. All, 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 all. It's around 35 to 40 watts. It's giving around 35 to 40 watts. Between that, since it's analog meter, I can't exactly tell how much it is, but it is around 40 watts.